Have you heard about SEO services?
Yes, I have. It's a way to improve your website's visibility on search engines.
That's correct. Did you know that over 90% of online experiences begin with a search engine?
Wow, that's a lot. So, how does SEO work?
SEO services help improve your website's ranking on search engines by optimizing your content and website structure.
That sounds great. How can it benefit my business?
SEO services can help increase your website traffic, generate leads, and improve your brand's credibility.
I see. Can you give me an example of how it works?
Sure. Let's say you own a bakery. When someone searches for best bakery near me, your website will show up at the top of the search results if you have good SEO.
Oh, I get it now. That's really helpful.
Definitely. SEO services are essential for any business looking to improve their online presence.
I'll definitely consider it for my business. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions. Stay connected with us.